Keep stepping up. Keep stepping up.
My freedom of
Keep
speech?
stepping. You don't have free speech when you're on problem.
Alright folks, we got a quick update video. This comes to you from Roach J's channel. Recently I did a long video regarding this new chief of police. Roach J was recently arrested, so we have an update on that arrest. His 2 charges of disorderly conduct were dismissed. This should definitely be an easy lawsuit. You guys check out this short version of this video. I'm gonna put Roach J's links in the description and in the pinned comment. Let's get right to it, folks.
I hope you can get me those videos and stuff you deleted, those public records. I'm coming for them right now. I want my public records, Heatherly. I believe we have conspiracy going on to conspire against me getting my public records. He rushed right in here to not allow me to get them.
Well, you are just a conspiracy nut, aren't you?
I'm against you for sure. I don't care. Make me. I'm not gonna deal with your shit. Make me.
Why are you cussing?
I'm in public using my free speech. I don't care, Heatherly. I don't need your judgment. Go murder another man in Walmart. Go murder another man in Walmart. Memory, can I get my paper? I don't need to deal with him. Memory, I don't need to deal with him.
Why are you yelling?
Can I please get my freedom of information paper? He made some comments on me on the public Facebook page, and he keeps deleting stuff. I'm gonna need that.
Are you gonna need it?
Oh, do you have a problem? Are you that volatile? Yes, I do.
don't have a problem.
You're my problem.
Am I?
You're a volatile scumbag of a human being.
Really?
Really?
Well, you're kind of a
Say it. Let's say it, because I know you're bound by policy while you're wearing all that clear.
lawsuit happy. Apparently you're lawsuit.
Why haven't I sued anybody? Why haven't I sued anybody then?
Contagious.
Why haven't I sued anybody then?
I don't know. Why haven't you?
Because I'm trying not to. That's the difference between someone who's lawsuit happy and someone like who you think I am. I've had no business with you. I had no issue with
you at all.
You clearly do, because
think
you told me everything that people in the city had said about me. Did you not say that in the phone call?
I probably
What everybody
did you say
said.
in your part of the phone.
I called you fat because you are fat. You called me a scrawny little weasel. You are fat. You're extremely heavy set. I bet you I can. Do you want to go race? Do you want to go? Do you want to go on a race? Do you want to go on a race? What about your dental stuff? Let's go on a race. Let's race each other on our feet. I will beat you in a race. You're fat.
Here stirring up trouble.
I'm getting my paper. You ran your mouth. You ran your mouth.
Then
I'm in public. I'm in public, sir. I'm in public.
Are you? I hope she's proud of you.
She's watching. You don't need to make comments. She's watching. Keep stepping up. Keep stepping up. Keep stepping. You don't have free speech when you're on problem. I bet you this job doesn't work good for you. You don't have free. Don't talk to my daughter, please.
Stop spitting on me.
She's fine. Make me, Heatherly. I did not spit on you. No, I didn't. You're full of it.
What do you want?
You're full of it. You're full of it, sir. Why are you trying to act this way in front of my child? I came to get a FOIA. I came to get a FOIA. You tried to block me and tried to assault me. You stepped up to me 3 times. You stepped up to me 3 times, sir. You're fat, you're rude, and you don't know the Constitution. Yes.
Oh, I don't know.
Jaden, do you see this? This is a bad man. There's good cops like Sheriff Cordy and Sergeant Preston Hypes. You know Paxton's daddy? He's a great cop. This man right here, he murdered a man at a Walmart. He's been taken off the Brady bill. He's taken off the and put on a Brady bill. Brady list. He's not allowed to bring charges on anybody, Jaden. I get it, Heatherly. Keep calling names. Keep calling names. Why don't you work on your weight, man? You keep talking about being.
Work on your teeth.
Why don't you make me?
If you want to throw, why
don't you make me?
Why don't you make me lose weight?
I mean, I'm not in a position where my teeth matter. You're actually a cop. I bet you can't chase nobody and catch anybody. I bet you have, like violate rights. Like violate rights. I'm sure you have. I'm sure you have. Because if you did, you would value the Constitution. I don't think you did. I don't think you did. Aren't you under probation? Aren't you on probation right now?
No.
You're not on probation with this job? Wasn't this job a 6-month probationary that you have? That's right. That's right. You violated that, I'm sure. Calling people names. Keep stepping up to me. Keep stepping up to me. You have taken steps. You've leaned in. You're a volatile human being, sir. Sir, you're so volatile. It's not even funny. You are. You snapped on the phone. An entire law office heard.
Probably not have as much calm as I have.
Oh, because you're fat and you have bad breath? I can smell that shit from here.
Nice try.
Yeah.
Nice try.
Yeah.
That spit coming out of your mouth. Dude,
Yeah, you can smell your own breath talking.
You are the poster child for gingivitis. So why don't you guys...
Are you a dentist? Are you a dentist now? Are you a dentist now? Are you talking about that crap in your teeth?
It doesn't take...
Are you talking about the crap in your teeth?
I can see.
Are you talking about the crap in your teeth? You sure do. Well, open your mouth wide.
You do.
Open wide. Open wide.
You do.
Open wide. Come on. Open wide.
You do.
Open wide.
You're a child.
Open wide.
You're a child trapped in a man's body.
Open
And
wide.
Look.
Come on,
You're
Heather.
going to go and you're going to try to get some clicks on your Facebook site.
It's not anything to do with Facebook. It has nothing to do with Facebook. You're a tyrant.
You don't.
You're a tyrant.
Yeah. Well,
You are.
You're the only one that thinks so.
No, a whole community thinks
No.
so. That's why
You
Tim.
speak for a whole community?
I know
So
a lot
I'm
of people.
living here.
You don't live
live
here.
in Clarksville.
You don't know where I
Why do you
live.
live
Why do you?
in
Where do you? Where do I
Clarksville?
live?
You have such-
Where do I live? Where do I live? Hold on. You're
I
saying
don't
I live in.
care where
You're
you
saying I live in
You
Clarksville.
don't
Where do I
live in
live?
Louisiana.
Do you know that
live
for a
in
fact?
Louisiana.
Do you know that?
Do you live in
Do you know
Louisiana?
that?
Do you
Do you
live in
know
Louisiana?
that? Do you know
live
that?
in Louisiana?
I don't have to
Do you
answer
live
that.
in
Do you know that where I
don't
live?
have to answer that
Do
either.
you know?
I'm not
You're
required
telling
to
me
answer
where I
any of
live.
your
You're talking about my.
mundane, ignorant
You're
questions.
talking about my parents. Do you know
We're
where
talking
I
about
live?
your
My
parents.
parents live in between Clarksville and
I
Louisiana.
don't
Do you
care
know where I
where
live?
You,
You claim it
I don't
where
care
I
Your
live.
parents live. Here's what I know.
You're a scumbag.
You're
That's what you know.
Pretty much a leech on society.
Oh, okay.
And you're coming here
Okay.
like you're
Keep
some social
going.
warrior.
Keep going.
Do you have what you
Keep
need?
going.
sir?
Keep going. I'm here till
What time do
4:30.
we close?
4:30. I'm here till 4:30.
Okay, then stay here till 4:30.
That's fine.
I just.
You got your phone,
disorderly.
sweetie?
Don't be disorderly.
Okay.
That's all I ask. All I ask is that you know.
I'm never disorderly. Hence why you guys
No,
can't
that's
get me
not
on
true.
comment.
You are.
Then where's my charges?
You are.
Write me charges. Give me the charges.
You do it. I'll be more than happy.
Give
to
me the
charge
charges. I'm not.
I will.
I'm not a dummy
Are
like you.
Disorderly now. I'm a dummy.
You are a dummy.
How far did you go in school?
I actually went 4 years in criminal justice at the University of Central Missouri. You want to make a bet? Look me up.
Show me.
University of Central Missouri. 4
Really
years
wanna
criminal
look you up?
justice. You're a dummy. You don't know.
And what do you do with
You
criminal
don't know.
justice?
I work in a
Nothing.
law office.
Nothing.
I work in a law office. Do more than I do
you
too.
don't.
Hey, Memory, have you not spoke? Has stuff not come to my law from my law office that I work at? Have you not received stuff from the law office I work at?
Yelling.
I'm not yelling. I talk like this.
Well,
You're a
talk
moron.
lower.
Make
Talk
me.
lower.
This is how I talk.
Talk lower.
Memory, have you not received stuff from my law office, ma'am?
If you continue yelling, then there's going to be an issue.
But that's where I work too.
There's going to be an issue.
So you get that, right?
Stop.
I'm not yelling.
Stop yelling.
You would lose this in court.
Now
You would
you're
lose
not.
this in court. I was talking to someone over
Put
there
your
because
finger
you
down.
won't.
Don't put it in my face.
I'm not putting it in your face. You're full of it. I was trying to talk to the clerk who you've been blocking. Are you doing business? Because I've actually.
Were you talking to
Remember,
me?
can I get a complaint form for him also?
I was actually.
I'm actually doing business. Okay, well,
I
remember,
was
you
doing
can
business
you can
before
conduct
you
your
ran in
business
here
with
and
him.
started
You
complaining
can
about
conduct your business
standing.
with him. I'll wait until he's done. I need a complaint form though. You can conduct your business with him.
Okay. I think he's coming. He's going to make a big scene. He's going to do what he usually does. So.
Oh, I knew that's what you were in here conspiring against me. I have no beef with Memory. Memory's been professional ever since Chief Jones left.
Really?
You've been the problem.
Really?
She can't acknowledge.
Oh,
She
I
can't
was the
acknowledge that
problem.
she can't
No,
acknowledge she
I
let
was your
Mobley
buddy
delete this stuff.
helping you with stuff
No,
until I did
no,
one
you
thing
lied.
that you don't
You
want.
lied.
I didn't lie.
Yes, you did.
What in that letter is a lie?
Mobley.
Tell me what the letter.
Did you in the letter? Did you in the letter admit that you had an officer that did not retain a record he was supposed to retain? Did you admit that?
Did that say that in the letter?
That's what you said on the recording. I've got the recording. That's
did it
not
say in the
that.
letter?
It says you guys don't have a record pursuant to my request because your officer
that a
did.
lie?
Your officer
Was
didn't
that a
maintain.
lie?
You're a liar and you
Was
know
it
that.
a
You know
lie?
what you're doing.
No.
Did your officer
it a
tell you
lie?
he deleted my record? Did he tell you he deleted it?
What did it say
Why
in the
can't you?
letter?
Why can't you
Did
answer
it
that?
say in the
See, you
letter
can't answer
that
that.
we didn't
You
have
can't
that
answer that.
recorded?
You can't answer that. Did
That's
your
not a
officer?
lie.
Did your officer tell you that? And did you tell me that on the phone in my recording?
It was not a lie.
Did you tell me that Mobley deleted
Not a
it?
lie.
All right, guys, let me read to you this comment. The new chief, Christopher Heatherly, according to his own LinkedIn, has mostly been a security guard. He has had several short stints with some police departments that have resulted in him suing for wrongful termination. He was involved in a fatal shooting at a Walmart while working as a part-time officer. He has sued every municipality that he has worked for. Also, he has filed bankruptcy multiple times. This guy wouldn't pass the background check to work for the post office, but somehow he's the chief of police. My mind is boggled. Keep watching, folks.
Did you tell me that?
What I said in that letter was not a lie.
But did you tell me Mobley deleted it?
Ryan Jacob.
No, I've got recording.
So
Don't be a liar. Don't be a liar. The letters are relevant.
Saying it's a lie.
Come on, fat boy. The letters are relevant. Come on,
Look,
Tubby.
Snaggletooth.
Tubby, the letters are relevant.
Look, Snaggletooth,
The letters are
stop.
relevant.
Stop.
See, you're not
You wanna
conducting
take
yourself
someone's
professional.
energy and fix your teeth.
Make me.
Come here.
Make
I wanna
me.
make you.
Because you
I don't-
can't
if you
do
wanna
anything.
look
You
like
are
that,
you are a
look
punk.
like that.
You're old. You're a murderer. You're Brady listed. That's the ultimate shame a cop can have, is being Brady listed. You're Brady listed.
No.
That's comical.
No,
Yeah.
not.
Yeah. The prosecutor in Ellsbury maintained it. You didn't win that. I looked it up. I can go on CaseNet. I can go on CaseNet. It was they're not the Ellsbury. It was Lincoln County's prosecutor.
Okay,
Sorry.
well, there you go.
And
That's
he
all.
held that.
What did the
He
Pike
held
County
it. Stop
prosecutor
yelling.
say?
Why are you raising your
Because
voice?
you're raising your
Alex is
voice.
crooked
You
himself.
talk.
Alex enforced crooked.
Everybody's crooked.
Why did I
Ryan
get
Jacob.
why did I get my charges dropped? Why did I get my charges dropped? Why did I get my charges dropped by your former bad cop?
Why?
I'm going to the upstairs to the lobby then. That's what I'll do. It's a public
Okay,
lobby up
yeah,
there
that's a
too.
good idea.
Public lobby up there too, right?
That's a good idea. Come on to the lobby.
Bye, fat boy.
Bye, loser.
Oh, I'm a what?
Come on.
I'm a what?
Aren't you going upstairs with me?
I'm a what?
Aren't you going to go upstairs?
I'm
with
a
me?
what?
Aren't you going to go upstairs with me?
I'm a
You
what?
wanna go-
Loser, puss. At that point, considered public record, because he's making the public record. You get what I'm saying?
Yep. Comments deleted.
By the chief or the operator of the page. I don't know who operates the page. I've been told his wife operates it. I was told he operates it.
I'm not. I'll be with you in just a minute, okay, Roll?
Okay.
Yeah, so I just was wanting, whoever operates it, I just want the posts and comments that were deleted on the date in question. Can I help you?
Yes, I need you to put your hands on the wall
For what?
because I'm directing you to.
I'm
Put your
conducting
hands on-
business.
Put your hands on the wall right now.
I'm conducting business, but
Put your right hand behind you. Well, that'd be your left hand, but you're under arrest for disorderly conduct.
what did I do?
Give me your phone.
What do you need in my pocket? You're gonna have to
Now,
So I have an update regarding this video. The charges against Roach J have been dropped. If you guys are not familiar with this guy's channel and what's going on, you definitely got to go over there and subscribe. One chief of police just got busted for murder. Another one works at Walmart. We've already got pictures of him working at the deli. And now this new chief of police doesn't understand right from wrong, law versus feelings. And I strongly doubt he knows the First Amendment of the Constitution. None of the cops out there do. But we know it here because we always teach it here. The First Amendment: freedom of speech, freedom of press, freedom of religion, freedom of assembly, and freedom to petition your government for redress of grievances. It's important, folks. The Second Amendment was written to protect it. Those mirror your natural rights. You were born with natural rights. Those amendments, the Constitution, the Bill of Rights, these documents were written to limit the scope of authority that public officials have over you. So always record the police. Always record your transactions with government, because government is a business. Know and understand that. Know where you stand. Thank you for tuning in. We'll see you on the next video. If you subscribe and hit the bell. Peace.